Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera guys. Okay, today I would like to share info how to use the air fryer. Okay, air fryer brand Khind. Okay, air fryer brand Khind. Okay, this is the display. Okay, the front display. Okay, the front display of the air fryer. This one, the panel is a touchscreen panel. Okay, the panel is a touchscreen panel. This one you can touch, you see, you can touch then to set the temperature. Okay, to set the temperature. Okay, the temperature in Celsius, degree Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Okay, set in Celsius. Okay, then this one is the power button. This one is the start, okay, play and pause button. This one button for the setting. Okay, setting what we want to cook, so we can choose. Okay, now I cook the nugget, so I choose this symbol shows cook nugget, so you can use this button, okay, to change. This one is the button see, stop already. Okay, then if you want to continue cooking, ni undo button. This one is undo button. Okay, wait, undo button. Okay, choose again. This one, choose again. Nugget. Okay, nugget. Okay, and this one is the timer. Okay, how long you want to cook. Okay, in minute. Okay, so let's continue cooking the nugget. Okay, okay, use air fryer cooker. It's very useful. Very useful when we want to cook, especially during the movement control order. Okay, period, movement control order period, MCO. So as a guy, as a man, you can cook for your child. Okay, all right. Okay, let's give time to the cooker to settle up. Okay, see you soon. Okay, let's see for a while. Okay, press the pause button. Okay, then open the container. Oh, okay, can you see? Oh, take out the container. No light. Okay, again, never mind. Okay, the nugget looks very nice color. Okay, it's ready to eat. Okay, I think it's cooked enough, so don't have to continue to cook. Okay, okay, now you can take out the nugget, use the tongue. Okay, because it's hot. Like that. Alright. Okay, one by one. Okay, the smell of the nuggets, oh, very delicious. So the taste also delicious. Okay. Oh, crunchy, look crunchy, okay? Okay, look crunchy. Okay. Okay, that is nice. The smell is so good. Okay, so that's all for today. You can try this at home. Right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.